They're finally here. My UTRUSTA hinges. And the first thing I'm going to do is measure them because I cannot find a spec sheet that shows what the dimensions are on them. So I blindly made the brackets for them. And if you don't know what the specs are on these, well, you're going to find out right away. So weight-wise, that information is on the internet, not too hard to find. They're like around 1.5 pounds each, 3 pounds total. But here they are. So let's measure these. 18 centimeters at its longest on its frame. 8.4 length. From tip to tail, 38.8 or 388 millimeters, just under 700 grams. I hope these numbers help you with whatever you're building. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We will see you around.